What's going on, you guys? So I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to be making my secondary air pump plate. Yeah, I'm going to be making this. So this is going to be a little DIY kind of video in case you want to do it yourself. So I'm deleting my secondary air pump, and of course, yes, you have to get it tuned out. Mine's already tuned out, so they say. My check engine light's still on, so I'm going to take it back up there to them again for them to tune it again, but that's besides the point right now. I'm about to head out, go to my cousin's house so we can make this plate. So we're gonna make it out of some type of metal or steel. We're gonna cut it, we're gonna grind it to make it fit, and then put 2 holes in it. And then I'm gonna come back and install it. And I'm gonna make a video of all of it so you know exactly what to do. So I forgot to record at the beginning of this, but we found a 1/4-inch plate. Where's the other part of it? On the floor. Oh. Alright, so this is right here is what we're using. About a 1/4-inch plate. So we took the secondary air pump. I don't know what this is. It's like the valve, I guess. And we laid it down flat onto the metal. And we traced it, cut it off, and now we're grinding it to size. So we're gonna keep on grinding at this, and then after that's done, then we're gonna drill the holes in it and clean it up a little bit, and it should be good to go. I go back over to the left just a hair, like this way.
Okay. Let me test it before. So like right, see the blade curves a little bit.
That's too far.
I mean that one bit's gonna cover both of them though.
I'd try to go back a little bit more. A little bit more. God dang, man. Alright,
you can turn it around.
Just do it.
Just do it. Send it.
Yeah, it'll be alright. No, I meant like,
sure
you
you
just go
don't
back in the same hole.
Same hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll be good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it looks close. So we got one hole drilled. Gonna drill the other one, and then we're gonna go in with this bigger bit right here, and that'll be our last size hole, and then basically the plate's done. This bit right here is the bit we're going to be using for the final hole. It is a 1/4 inch, and it's the exact same size as the original valve for the secondary air pump. So we're gonna get this drilled through both of them, and then the plate will be complete. All right, so this is the finished product. It's lines up pretty good to the original valve, wherever it's at. It's over there. But we got it painted so it doesn't rust. And I'm gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna get this on, and it should be good enough where it won't throw any codes. Put some gasket maker on there, throw it on, and be good to go. So I'm not gonna be making a clip of installing this, only because it's about to get dark and there's gonna be no way of seeing it. So I'll probably just say something about it in the next video, but I'm sure I will have no complications, and if I do, then I will make a clip of it. But if not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and go home and throw this on the car and have it done. So if you're new, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.